Hello friends, welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be particularly based on the DC motor and the types of DC motor. So what is DC motor and what are the types of DC motor is going to be discussed in detailed manner. So please watch till the end of this video because this video is going to be very important. So let's start the video without taking much time. So DC motor is generally it is a motor and which is used to convert the direct current electrical energy into the mechanical energy at the output section of the motor. Okay, so this is the main definition of the DC motor, and there are four types of DC motors are available. The first one that is series DC motor, and the second one that is shunt DC motor, and the third one that is the compound DC motor. The fourth one that is last that is PMDC motor, that means the permanent magnet DC motor. Okay, so now let's talk about the DC series motor. So DC series motors are the motors which are used in the applications where the starting torque is more important. That means, for the example, in the railway tractions the starting torque is more important, so in that case we are using the DC series motor. Okay, so now let's talk about the DC shunt motor. Okay, so in maximum case DC shunt motors are used, okay, such as the lifts, lathe machines, blowers and electric fans. We are using the DC shunt motor, and also in the conveyors we are using the DC shunt motors. In the maximum case the DC shunt motors are used in the electrical system. So now let's talk about DC compound motor. Okay, so DC compound motor offers both high starting torque and good speed control. So that's why these motors are used in the machine tools and shear machines and also in the presses. Okay, so these are having high starting torque and good speed control. So that's why we're using in that case. Okay. So now let's talk about the last and final one, that is PMDC motor, that means permanent magnet DC motor. Okay, so the permanent magnet DC motors are generally used in the automobiles to operate the wipers and washers, to raise and lower the windows, and to drive the blower for the heaters and the air conditioners. Okay, so these are generally used in the automobiles. Okay, so PMDC motors is also used in the computer drives and in the toy industries. So it's all about the DC motor and the types of DC motor and where we are using these type of DC motors. Okay,